Hello students, welcome to Internship Wala. My name is Ali Imran and I am your trainer/tutor. So we at Internship Wala are very delighted to announce to you our carefully crafted flagship series, which is the structural design of buildings. So it is a video lecture series which has taken a lot of time for us to make, and we have put a lot of efforts into making this course video lecture series. It consists of some 20 videos, each of 30 to 40 minutes in length. And what the purpose of this video lecture series is to introduce to you, the students, the concepts of structural design, how a structure or any building is conceptualized, and how it is executed, how it is made into a real life building. So a lot of effort and measures and processes are involved into constructing a real life building. So as you must be aware of, since you are civil engineering students, that there are two basic categories into which any construction can be categorized into. So one is the conceptual or the design phase of construction, which is really the technical part, where we apply the science and the engineering properties, concepts into structuring, into building or designing structure. And the second one is the execution phase, which involves the actual implementation of those concepts of science and engineering into making of a real life building or any structure. So this lecture series is an attempt from Internship Wala to familiarize the students who are newly made civil engineers into the concepts of structural design. So in this video lecture series, we have focused mainly on the structural design of a building. There are various processes and various steps involved in the planning phase of the construction, and we here at Internship Wala aim to introduce to you and make aware to you the various processes and the various steps involved into making into the designing of a real life building. So what you would be learning in this video lecture series. So this video lecture series has been carefully constructed with taking into consideration the needs and requirements of the industry. And since you all must be aware of that in colleges we learn the basic concepts, that is the theory part of civil engineering, but there exists some gap between the academic knowledge we gain in the colleges and the practical knowledge that we require at work or any office. So we have made an attempt to bridge that gap so that the students who are unfamiliar with the design concepts of buildings get familiarized with it. So what you will be learning here in this video lecture series is basically constructing a building, the design phase of the building. So also the various steps, there are lots of, it is a very complicated task. It is a very complicated and very big task to construct a real life building. There goes a lot of effort and lots of steps and hard work into constructing a building or constructing of a building. So you will learn about all the steps, all the processes that go into making of a building. You would also learn about the softwares that we professional engineers use into making those plans and designs into a real life structure, real life form. So in this video lecture series, there are basically two types of softwares which are very basic to every civil engineer. Every civil engineer is required to have the knowledge of these two softwares. These two are very popular and very important, and every civil engineer is supposed to be having the knowledge of these two softwares. So what are these softwares? One is AutoCAD. As you must have heard about at AutoCAD, every civil engineer must have heard about it. It is basically a CAD software, which stands for Computer Aided Design. So what it does is it gives a shape and form to our dreams, to our imagination, to our ideas. So when we design or when we construct, plan to construct a building, we have lots of ideas, we have lots of imagination as to how the building would look. So to put that into a real scenario, AutoCAD as a software helps us in achieving that. It is a very extensive tool and a very popular tool, and it helps to basically materialize our ideas and our imagination into a real form or a real shape. So you would learn about AutoCAD, the various processes that we make use of in designing a building, and you would learn all about that. So this is the first part, and the second part is the software, which is STAAD Pro. So STAAD Pro is a very specialized software. It is to be used by structural engineers. It is mainly used by structural engineers who are supposed to design a building. So STAAD Pro is basically the structural analysis and design software. So every structure, when we get a drawing, suppose we get an architectural drawing from a architect, so it does not contain the elements of structural elements of the building. It does not contain beams or slabs or the various technicalities of design. So a structural engineer is supposed to fill in the gaps and complete the design of the building. Architectural drawing does not contain the technical details of the elements of buildings like beams and columns and slabs, etc. So this software is used for structurally designing the various elements or the structures of a bigger structure of a building. There are lots of processes involved into making of a complicated structure or a real life structure, which is complicated anyway. So STAAD Pro helps us, the structural engineers or civil engineers, into achieving that. So you would learn all about these two softwares. You would learn about how to construct, how to design, basically design the structure of a building. Okay, so the student will learn both the softwares and can easily start, and at the end of the course video lecture series, you would be able to construct your or design your own softwares or your own structures. At the end, in conclusion, we at Internship Wala, our aim is to bridge that gap which exists between the academia and the industry. So we have attempted to make a course which is complete in itself, and aims to familiarize the civil engineers, newly made civil engineers or structural engineers, and give them the ability to design their own buildings and help them in their careers. So in conclusion, we at Internship Wala hope that you learn lots of things in this video lecture series, and it would be very, very useful to all of you. So thank you and best of luck for your future.